name is Sue Lancaster and I'm a Fellow of the Society of Designer Craftsmen. I first discovered machine embroidery on foundation course at Bolton Art College. It seemed to me to be the perfect combination for me of drawing and sewing. Throughout my degree training at Loughborough and subsequent work, the system that I've found suits me best is to research a visual theme on paper and then extract elements from this which I then interpret into different textiles. I love colour and the way one colour affects another, and just the simplest line of stitching can alter the whole piece. This is one piece of fabric, the same colour, it's only the stitching that changes. I may dye cloth, print on cloth, pad or piece a cloth, but my work always involves machine stitch. I use all my knowledge of drawing, colour mixing, pattern cutting, dressmaking and functionality to create the best piece I can. I plan an idea, make surfaces, I join pieces together and assess and alter at every stage. The piece is in my head, it's drafted and planned on paper, and it's sampled in bits, but the end product is an individual construction of all my knowledge and skills. Thank you for being interested in my work, and I hope you managed to get to see more exhibitions by members of the Society of Designer Craftsmen.